Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download your Facebook Messenger conversation. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app, go to settings, scroll down and here you can see download your information. Tap on continue, tap on request, select one of your profile, and if you want to download the complete copy just tap right here, but we want to download the messenger conversation, so just tap on select types of information, and here you can see the different options, but we are going to tap on messages, tap on next, and here just tap your email here where you get all of the data, and here you have to select the format, select the media quality, and select the range. If you want to collect the date of the last year, let it be last year. So just tap on save, and after all of that process they will give you the submit request option. Just tap right here, submit request, and you will be able to get all of your data on your email. So this is how you can easily download your messenger conversation. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.